Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add video transitions on CapCut PC correctly. So if you add just like one video and go to transitions, you obviously can't add in video transitions. You have to have at least 2 clips. Here I can't even add that because I don't have like a continuous clip. So go back to media and add in like another clip, or just basically split your clips in half or in like a few clips. Then you can add in the video transition. But if you want it to be at the beginning or at the end, just add in a black stock video. Make sure the duration isn't super long. And then you can add in like a video transition at the beginning of your videos or at the end. You can't really see it that much though. But yeah, you'll need at least 2 clips, so keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!